So I'm in the workshop and I'm going to give it a good tidy because it's super messy, super dusty from my last project and I didn't get around to tidying. Whew. So today, let's move you closer. Da, 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 da. I'm working on a custom stool for a client. So I've cut out this piece of holm oak and then I took it to my other work and I engraved it with what the client wanted. These hearts are going to be blue and then on the back it's a little message as well. And she's coming over tomorrow to test out the colours that she wants for the hearts and for the ends of the legs. So today what I'm going to do is start working on the holes for the legs, and then I'm also going to get some scraps ready so that we can do some tests on with the paint. So that is job number 1 for today. And I've got, let's get them. I've got different sized, well, I've just got 2 different lengths of oak dowel just to make this job a bit easier, as I haven't got my lathe up and running. So I've got 4 pieces at, I think they're 35 or 350 mil. Which were those ones? Let's get them out. So I've got, I believe, I think these are 35 and then these are 45 or 40. But I'll also let her decide what length she wants. I got a feeling it'll be the shorter length. I think that's quite a nice height for a little kiddie stool. Okay, that's fine. Right, so that's half and half. That'll do about there. What I want to do is just punch a little hole through. Where's my hammer? And make sure they're lined up. Yeah, that's marked it. It's gone all the way through. So there's my 4 points for the feet. I'm so sweaty, it's ridiculous. Why is it the hottest day of the year? Right, I'm going to mark these now that it's all lined up. Double check roughly. So down, that's about 7, down, 7, up, 5, perfection. Piece of board. Right, what I think I'm gonna do to make sure I get all the angles right on the pillar drill, just draw a straight line across from each point. In the center of each point, so that I can use it. Oh, that's not quite right. Right. Like that. There we go. Now it goes across the center. That doesn't work. Idiot. Let's sharpen my pencil. Oh, I can't because I haven't got my sharpener. There we go. Right, pencil line all the way across. That way I can use it as a guide when I'm on the pillar drill, so I know the direction of the angle. Doobie doobie doo. It's actually quite a mess in the workshop, so don't mind all of the crap over there. What was I doing? So I've done a test one, so make sure I get it right, so I know that that will go on there. The legs will go in at an angle. I'll do it like this. Basically, I know that it will go like that. So they need to be diagonally. Let's just test where this goes, and then I'll clamp it down. That's gonna go there. From this angle, I'm gonna make sure it's nice and straight. That looks straight. Just move it over slightly. I think that's nice and straight. Line it up one last time, perfecto. Now I'm going to clamp you down onto the board. Make sure everything's nice and flat. Just make sure the angle is right. Could put another clamp there. What do you think, Shaw? This pillar drill isn't really in the best position, but I don't really use it that often. But as I'm doing this commission, I thought I need to be accurate, so I thought I'd use it. I've got this massive board in the way, which I don't know why I really got it out of the stack. Right, the depth is set to 50 because of that gap, and then yeah, that's right. Yeah. So that's 35. So that means it goes 15 in on the short side. Okay, power on.